Sign up at the end of this review to get my personal gear list. Hi, this is Barry Larkin from Music Villa. Here today, I'm just kidding. This is Tony from Music Villa. Here today to look at a really cool vintage guitar that we just got in the shop. Before we get started, make sure to click on the link below. Sign up for the Acoustic letter. You'll get videos, photos, price lists, and up to the minute notifications of the cool stuff that we get in the shop here every day. On to this really, I guess we'll call it rare, piece of vintage Martin guitarness. This is a 1950 Martin 00028 that was brought into the shop literally in, well, I don't want to say pieces. I mean, it looked like a guitar, but it certainly was not playable. So what we did, just kind of like on Pawn Stars, we called in the expert. Our buddy Marcus Engstrom, who does all of our setups and kind of guitar hot rods here at the shop, and he had it in his shop for about 3, 4, 5, maybe 6 months. And then in one day, he brought back the wonderful little brown case that this came in, and we all were delighted because it was a playable, awesome vintage Martin guitar. He spliced a piece of spruce in to fix the center crack. He gave it a setup, a neck reset, reshaped the saddle, reshaped the nut, made sure the tuners were working. I mean, he gave it the full-on Marcus treatment. That's what we call it. It's pretty awesome. Anywho, this is a great vintage guitar. It sounds awesome. It begs to be played. It's extremely responsive. It is a 00028 Sitka spruce top, Brazilian rosewood back and sides. It does have that thicker vintage kind of 50s neck on it. It has Kluson closed back tuners, old school, well, it's old school, of course it's old school, it's from 1950, rounded square peg head with the old school decal, the neck 1 11/16, ebony fingerboard. Everything you've come to know and love from the Martin Company, this guitar embodies. And again, I think the sound will second that. So let's give this thing a listen. Thanks for checking out our 1950 Martin 00028. Don't forget to sign up for the Acoustic letter, and please leave your comments and questions below.